Do you want to moderate your server using Mee6? Pay for the Mee6 Premium. Do you want to welcome members when they join your server? Pay for the Mee6 Premium. Do you want to have a reaction role in your server? Pay for the Mee6 Premium. Do you want to use polls on your server? Pay for the Mee6 Premium. And it gets worse. When you ping Mee6, it will respond to you like this, and if you reply to this message, it will keep replying to you back until you stop replying. And not that it only replies, this bot spams in long paragraphs. You have probably guessed how you can stop this bot's AI to not reply. Yes, you have guessed right. Buy the Mee6 Premium. And seriously, almost everything is a premium feature for this bot. And I don't get why anyone would ever want to use this bot. I would at least understand if the premium of this bot costs just $1, but it costs $12 and $90 for lifetime. The only time Mee6's premium will be worth it is if you are forced to use only Mee6 in your server. There were some users who said that after they banned someone with Mee6, they couldn't unban with Mee6 because it was a premium feature. And it's crazy how good alternatives we have to Mee6 like Sapphire. Sapphire is far better than Mee6 in moderations, and yet everything is still free. Unlike Mee6 where you need to buy premium to use polls, and remember that Discord is working on polls that I've mentioned before, so there's absolutely no reason to have that locked behind premium. Now let's talk about Mee6's character AI, which is actually free, but just for some of the first responses. After that, you need to buy the Mee6 Premium, as you have guessed. They actually have many famous people's characters to use, so I invited Barack Obama and it didn't end up well. If you are wondering, these AI characters are far worse than Clyde. Here are some alternatives to Mee6. For polls, you can use Dino until Discord launches a poll feature. You can use Sapphire for welcoming members, moderating embed messages, notifications, and for reaction roles. YadGPDB is the best when it comes to custom roles. Use TicketBot for tickets and Arcane for leveling. You can also read this article, which is about alternatives to Mee6. If you want to know 3 free ways to get Discord Nitro, then watch this video. And if you want to know how Opera GX tried to give free Nitro, but they messed up, then watch this video. You can join my server if you want to talk with me. Thanks for watching.